How to fix YouTube black screen on Samsung TV. If YouTube is showing a black screen on your Samsung TV, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your Samsung TV is connected to the internet. Test the connection by opening another app or running the network test in Settings General Network Status. Restart your Wi-Fi router if needed and reconnect the TV. Step 2. Restart YouTube app. Press the return or exit button on your remote to close the app completely. Reopen the YouTube app to see if the issue persists. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Go to Settings Apps on your Samsung TV. Select YouTube from the app list. Choose Clear Cache and Clear Data if available. Restart the app and check if it works. Step 4. Restart your Samsung TV. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power source. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then plug it back in and power it on. Relaunch the YouTube app. Step 5. Update YouTube app. Navigate to Apps YouTube in the Samsung TV App Store. Check if there is an update option. If available, update the app to the latest version. Step 6. Update Samsung TV firmware. Go to Settings Support Software Update. Check for firmware updates and install any available updates. Restart the TV after updating. Step 7. Reinstall YouTube app. Go to Settings Apps and select YouTube. Choose Uninstall, then reinstall it from the Samsung TV App Store. If the problem persists, it might be related to YouTube servers or compatibility issues. Contact Samsung support or YouTube support for additional assistance.